Yes, definitely. They will be looking forward to a graded relaxation from the entire stoppage and complete curtailment of domestic airlines of flying, because at the end of the day, airlines had been constantly been pressurizing the ministry that how they had been facing continuous losses because of any domestic flights or international flights not flying at all, and that's why we have seen so many pay cuts taking place. Also, so many domestic airlines have already, asked their employees to go on a pay without leave. Sorry, leave without pay, and that's completely shows that how difficult it is for the airlines to continue their businesses. They are almost facing bankruptcy. So, considering that Jahan B is one of the factors that economy must be resumed back on its track for the airlines specifically, because they are our warriors. They had been working day and night in order to facilitate stranded Indians to come back to India, and also transport for any medical emergency or cargo services that are being provided. Considering that, and also considering that how prepared the airports and the airlines are. When we talk about airports, yes, definitely Delhi airport has issued a lot of notifications on how prepared they are. Not only UV lamps are being installed at various places for good indoor air quality, but also the baggage belt, the passenger area, and also there is a installation of disinfectant tunnel as well in airports, and specified areas for social distancing to be followed. All those things have been actually reviewed by the team that had visited a Delhi airport. And considering all these preparedness, only main cities like Delhi, Bangalore and Mumbai, we can actually expect that resumption of flights can take place. And once this takes place, we believe that all the airlines who have certain flights traveling from Mumbai to Delhi, they will be willing to cooperate with it, and they will start resuming their services. So we believe that post May 17, a decision is likely on the resumption of domestic airlines.
Absolutely. Yes. In fact, it is almost imperative to do something about air travel as well, because to avoid airlines from going under, which is a trend that is being witnessed across the world, you have to ensure at some level that air operations can begin. Let's also go across to Pooja Prasanna. Pooja, what is the sense that you're picking up, not just from Karnataka, but from other southern states? When the Chief Ministers take part in the meeting with the Prime Minister, many of the states in the past, for example, before lockdown 3 had happened, did not want the lockdown to be extended. Some states, in fact, had extended it on its own till the end of May. What is the latest that you're picking up?
Across South, Karnataka and Kerala are two states which are in favor of perhaps lifting more restrictions going forward, and that, of course, will be also communicated in the conference that the PM is expected to chair. In fact, Kerala had on its own given more exemptions, which was, of course, taken note of by the MHA, and the Kerala government had then had to roll back all of those directions. Karnataka too has been now looking at how they can possibly lift more restrictions. As of now, several industries are allowed to function with 33% staff, but going forward, they worry that there could be, some sort of an economic slump, and which is why, with precaution, the Karnataka government wants more, restrictions to be lifted. But the same cannot be said of other southern states. For example, Tamil Nadu is dealing under an everyday reporting upwards of 400 cases. So we are expecting, more restrictions to be placed in Tamil Nadu to make sure the situation is brought under control. Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are also proceeding with caution. Although the situation is not as dire as Tamil Nadu, they still have cases close to 2,000 in each of the states, which means that they need to proceed with caution, but they're also keeping the economy in mind. Telangana, of course, Chief Minister had unilaterally extended the lockdown even before Prime Minister Modi had announced, lockdown 3.2. So we are expecting that he would be in favor of more clampdown, more restriction, and even possibly continuing lockdown in a phased manner. Andhra Pradesh, they are taking stock of the situation, and of course a meeting that is underway between the top officials, top ministers and Chief Minister Jagan will give a direction as to what will be communicated to the Prime Minister later on today in the conference.
All right. I do appreciate all of our reporters for joining us. Of course, it's just under 2 hours to go now as far as that meeting is concerned. We'll keep getting our viewers more on that. Time for a very short break. So the meeting with the Prime Minister that he's going to hold, the video conference with the Chief Ministers for a fifth time, continues to be the big story that we're tracking, and we'll get you more on the other side.